Diffuse reflection is the reflection of light from a surface such that an incident ray is reflected at many angles rather than at just one angle, as in the case of specular re reflections. Like a roadway, diffuse reflection is the reflection of light from a surface where incident ray is reflected at many angles. For the diffuse reflection, everything we see around us is visible. The particles of the rough surface are unevenly distributed, as when a parallel ray of light strikes the rough surface. It gets scattered in all directions. Reflection off of a rough surface such as clothing, paper, and the asphalt roadway leads to a type of reflection known as diffuse reflection. Whether the surface is microscopically rough or smooth has a tremendous impact upon the subsequent reflection of a beam of light. Specular reflection is reflection from a mirror-like surface where parallel rays are all, all bounce off at the same angle. This happens because the surface is smooth and doesn't have the imperfections that most surfaces do. Specular reflection, which occurs with smooth surfaces like mirrors, causes light rays to reflect at the same angle as they hit the surface. Diffusion reflection, which occurs with rougher surfaces, scatters light rays in different directions. A highly polished surface or mirror reflects the light. Reflection takes place when light bounces off an opaque object. If the surface is shiny and smooth, like glass, water, or polished metal, the light will reflect at the same angle as it hits the surface. This is called specular reflection. What kind of an example of that is specular reflection or regular reflection is the mirror-like reflection of waves such as light from a surface. Reflection on a still water are an example of specular reflection. Let's see, the reflection of light can be roughly categorized into two types of reflection. Specular reflection is defined as light reflected from a smooth surfaces at a definite angle, and diffuse reflections, which is produced by rough surfaces that tend to reflect light in all directions, as illustrated in this figure. You can't see the figure, but I can. And I think the key word to this is angles. You get different angles where your angle of view or the angle of the reflection can definitely be dispersed, just like why is this bottom of this boat missing? Why is the bottom of the bird rack missing? Navigation beacon, in other words. Um, it is being that it's hiding what we should see. And if we can see these, which I will be showing again in the next video, I'm going to try to do some comparisons to these and try to do some comparisons to a good day of visibility. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and be sure to hit. I take that back. The next video will be of the sunset on this day, sun departure.